Here's a walkthrough to answer a 9-mark question on income elasticity of demand for AQA A-level business. So the question asks, a cafe sells 2 types of hot drinks, coffee and tea. These drinks have the following income elasticities of demand. Coffee has an income elasticity of demand of positive 2.0 and tea has an income elasticity of demand value of minus 0.5. The question continues. The volume of coffee sales is several times greater than the volume of tea sales. Based on the information above, analyse how the cafe's overall sales volume of hot drinks would be affected by a rise in the consumer's income. Assume there are no other changes. So an easy way to answer this question is to address how the change of income will impact the sales volume of coffee, then another section addressing the sales volume of tea. Then bring it all together to show the overall impact on the cafe sales volume. First of all, let's address the coffee. Firstly, the income elasticity of demand value for coffee is positive 2.0, which makes it income elastic and a luxury good. So first of all, if the income rises because coffee is income elastic, it will cause the demand to change by a greater amount. And because the income elasticity of demand value is positive, it will cause an increase in demand if income rises. So for example, if income rises by 10%, demand would increase by positive 20%, as it is twice the amount, which would cause sales volume for coffee to increase by twice the amount of the change in income. Whereas tea has an income elasticity of demand value of minus 0.5, which means it is income inelastic and an inferior good. As tea is an inferior good, this means that when income rises, the demand for this good will reduce as consumers are switching to better alternatives. So if income was to increase again by 10%, the demand for tea would go down by 5%. Therefore, this would cause the sales volume for tea to reduce. However, the question states that the sales volume for coffee is several times greater than tea. Therefore, the cafe should see an overall increase in their sales volume if consumer income rises. Follow me for more exam answer walkthroughs.